Well, somebody's had a very busy morning. It's Kathleen Scot, who was judging the Section Bs. Lovely to see you, Kathleen.
Oh, lovely to see you too. It's been lovely.
Well, you could see you were in your element in the ring. It was a lovely experience, wasn't it, to start the Winter Fair?
Fantastic experience. So honoured to be asked to judge at the Winter Fair, and just from the moment I stepped in the ring, it was lovely, and so nice to see such beautiful ponies in number and in quality. So no, very good.
What about the overall standard?
I think the overall standard was very good, and sort of very pleased to see that, because I think maybe since COVID numbers have dropped a little bit, but nice to see that quality back and just in numbers as well. So no, very good.
Was there a certain class that caught your eye
I think
more?
the filly foal class, just because of the numbers forward, the depth and the quality. There was loads of ponies in there that you would have loved to take home, so that was beautiful to see. So
That's a good sign.
Yeah.
If you want to adopt a horse as well. And what about the championship?
Oh, championship was lovely. I love my champion and reserve. And I think we very much, because although we breed Section A ponies and we've had Section Bs as well, want to see something that's going to go on under saddle, and I could definitely see that in both my champion and reserve. And just, I suppose for me, walk is my big pace, and they had beautiful walks, and they just looked as if they were enjoying themselves as well, which was lovely.
And you're from Aberdeenshire.
Yeah.
So what was it about the Welsh breeds that caught your eye?
I think it was by chance. I think when come from a farming background but non-horsey family, but although my auntie was quite into horses, so the first pony that I begged of Dad to get was a Section A, and we kept her. We bred from, at the time we couldn't find a Section A stallion in Scotland, so we went and bought one, and it just sort of escalated from there. So we then got into quite a lot of Friars bloodlines. We've got Waxwing, and had a really good time, met so much lovely people, and so proud to have Welsh ponies basically.
You can see that with the horse community and the Welsh Pony and Cob Society as well. There's a certain camaraderie, isn't there?
Definitely, and I think it kind of sucks you in. Once you get into it, you think, yes, this is lovely, sort of, and so nice to see it. So no, it's been brilliant.
So how long will you be staying down?
Staying again tonight, and come back and see the classes tomorrow, and then fly back home tomorrow evening. So
well, you can relax now, and congratulations. And you started it off brilliantly and very smart, if I may say so as well.
Thank you.
It's lovely to meet you. Thank you
very
so
nice
much.
to meet you. Thank you very much. Thank
Diolch.
you.